Trying our best to take care of the planet shouldn't be out of reach, but it often is. Things can be expensive, difficult to make yourself, or you might not have access to sustainable options in your local city. So if you're new to sustainable living and aren't sure where to start, here are some easy sustainable swaps all around the $10 range if you're looking for something affordable yet straightforward enough to implement in your life. Before I dive into the swaps, this video was made possible by today's sponsor, MightyNest. If you're new to sustainable living, MightyNest provides eco-friendly swaps to help their members build more sustainable habits. It's a great way to change things up every month if you want to try more sustainable habits in the new year. Each month, you can expect one new swap on your doorstep in minimal, recyclable packaging, with tips and tricks on how to use the item in your current routine. If you have a few sustainable swaps already, you can also set specific preferences to tailor your monthly fix to meet your needs and goals, so you're always sent something functional and worth trying. Those who sign up with the link in the description box will only be paying $3 instead of the regular $11 monthly membership, and you'll receive today's first swap of the video, which is beeswrap. As an alternative to single-use plastic wrap, you can keep things super simple by putting a pot or a pan lid on top of any container. Use an old jar, or one of my favorites, placing a plate right on top of a bowl. But I found that reusable beeswax wraps are great for casserole dishes, half-cut produce, sandwiches, or leftovers of any kind, which is a great way to keep your food fresher for longer and plastic-free. Beeswrap is made from all natural and compostable materials, and if you're up for the task, they can easily be rejuvenated by melting a few beeswax pellets on top in the oven as a simple DIY. If you're on the go, have children, or want to avoid any accidents with glass Tupperware, silicone stasher bags are a great simple swap. They're wonderful for various food applications, from sous vide to freezing, and keep chopped up food super fresh if you're looking to do some meal prep. Best of all, they're lightweight for on the go if you need an alternative to single-use Ziploc bags, and are a much healthier alternative to using plastic. All-purpose cleaner is a simple enough DIY, made with water, vinegar, and a bit of essential oils. But if you're looking for something a bit stronger or aren't a huge fan of the smell of vinegar, there are options like Meliora's all-purpose cleaner. Get refill tablets that dissolve in warm water and spray away for a clean surface without the nasty chemicals. We need something to wipe up all that all-purpose cleaner. And if you want to be less wasteful with paper towels, consider the Swedish dishcloth. They can be washed in the washing machine or dishwasher and last for months. They're completely compostable at the end of life, as they're also made of cellulose and cotton. Alternatively, you can also use a simple old t-shirt, cut it up, and use that as a rag. Most cleaning tools and sponges are made of plastics, which shed small microplastics into our drains and water streams, which water treatment plants cannot catch. Consider compostable scrubbers and sponges, which are made of natural materials such as wood, walnut, or loofah, as an alternate cleaning tool. You'll be surprised at how well they work. Instead of purchasing lip balms in plastic, compostable options are affordable and quite easy to find. Consider supporting small, local makers that create lip balms, as there are so many to choose from in various tints and scents, and don't forget to pack it away for on the go so you don't get those chapped lips. Shampoo bars have come a long way in the past few years and are a great alternative to packaged shampoo. Choose from a variety of bars based on your hair type and lather up with water in the palm or rub directly to your scalp. Brands such as High Bar last as long as a 16-ounce bottle would of regular shampoo, and for reference, here's the one I've used for 2 months versus the original size. Bar soap has also come a long way as well, with options such as your regular hand soap, facial soap, and body soap, but also shaving soap, dish soap, and even laundry stain sticks. These are great swaps to get you from using plastic packaged goods and work just as well. Consider trying some of these types of soap the next time you need to shop for bathroom or cleaning supplies. A sisal shower mitt or cloth is an excellent alternative to plastic exfoliants. This particular one can be used on the face or body when washing, and is entirely natural and compostable at end of life. Likewise, a loofah is another great natural option, and both can be used with soap to lather up in the shower. Last but not least, a crowd favorite, the bamboo toothbrush. These are a simple option to help you reduce plastic, but if the bristles aren't compostable, be sure to pluck them out with pliers before composting the handle. There are various brands to choose from, so you can find your favorite brush based on your dental preferences. With that, I hope this video inspires you to take it step by step with living more sustainably, starting with some simple swaps. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to check out MightyNest in the description box below to have many of these easy, sustainable swaps sent to your door once a month. Hope you guys have a great one, and I'll see you guys in the next video.